Jenna and Salma! Today we are gonna have a cookies competition! And our brother Adam is gonna be the judge. Jenna, do we have the ingredients? No, we don't. Let's go buy it from the store.
Hello.
Hi, can we buy some cookies ingredients?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is this one.
Okay, Samuel. We need to get some groceries from the shopping store. Sina, Princess Selena, do you have any cookie ingredients?
Over here.
Thank you. Can we use one of your cards?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You take that.
I'm gonna share it. And thank you, Princess Selena, for showing us where the section is. So I'm gonna get the Reese's chocolate. Put it in my cart. Yes. I'm gonna get the butter. There's 2 butters. And I'm gonna get the vanilla. Okay, Jen. Okay, Sina. So I'm gonna take the rest of the thing. So here we have 2 chocolate chips. And now I'm gonna take the 2 eggs. And I'm gonna take the baking powder. Oh no! Thank you, Sina. Now it's time for us to check out. Okay, here we go. Welcome. And I have 2 butters. Thank you.
Is that all?
No, because Jenna's gonna have more things and she's gonna pay. So, yeah. Now it's my turn to check out. Here you go.
Is it all today?
Yes, it is all for today. Here's $20.
Bye.
Bye. Now we are in the kitchen. And by the way, we actually had something. So, we had it flour, sugar, and brown sugar, and salt. So here's the flour. Here's 2 eggs. Here's 1 cup of sugar. 1 cup of brown sugar. And we are going to add a little bit salt on the cookies. And now we have 2 kinds of chocolate chip. So I have baking powder and vanilla and 2 butters and a Reese's chocolate. Ta-da! But we didn't tell you about this nice mixer we have. And first, when you start off with making cookies, you have 2 what's it called? 2 butters. Yeah, 2 butters. I forgot. Let's add 2 butters. Okay. Pop it in. Put the other one. Is it sticky? Not that sticky. Pop it in. Sometimes some butters are sticky. Okay. And then you add the 2 eggs. I'm kind of scared. Oh no. Now I'm gonna add the second butter, the egg. Oh no. So we added the butter and we added that 2 eggs, and now we are gonna mix it. This is the funniest for a little bit. Yeah. Whoa! Wow! That's so cool. Now it's my turn to add the ingredients. So I'm gonna add first vanilla. How much are you gonna add? Wait, I'm gonna count it again before. A little dot. 2 teaspoons? Yeah. Okay, let's. Okay. Keep putting yogurt. 1, 2. Okay, that's good. Okay, and now I think I put sugar. Okay, let me close it. Can I close it? Okay, it closed it. Now we are gonna add some sugar. Now I'm gonna add the sugars. So you're gonna add 1 cup of sugar. Click that. Okay, now the other cup of sugar. You have to be careful with this one. Oh. No. Can you help me? Yeah. Okay. So even. Now it's time for me to mix it. I'm scared. Well. Oh my god. It really looks like it's coming to life. Now I'm gonna turn this off. Okay, so now it's my turn to add salt, and it's the last ingredient that I do. So I'm gonna add like a teeny bit. Add like this much. Okay. Well done. We were about to put the flour, but then Judge Princess Selena and Judge Adam came to see what we were doing.
You didn't get a job, guys. Right, Adam?
Yeah, you guys are doing a good job, girls. I'll wait to see you guys at the end.
Okay.
I did not know the judge were coming to go see us cooking, and I was kind of a little bit scared and shy. But we are going to continue to baking our cookies. So let's add our baking powder. Okay. Now we are going to add it to the mixer. Be careful. I am. I'm going to try my best. Oh. Wait, did I drop any? No. Just a tiny bit. added the flour, and this is the final part. So we are gonna mix that. I'm kind of scared. Okay, that scared me.
It's so white. Everyone's eating it.
I know. Okay.
It looks like dough.
Yeah. Okay, so we finished making the dough, and now this is the best part and our favorite part. Now we are gonna add chocolate. So here's the final result. Here's our cookie dough before we put the chocolate. Now we are gonna split the dough.
Why, Jenna?
Did you not remember? Because we are gonna do a competition and the judges are gonna try our cookies. So let me get it. Let me skip a little bit more. Okay, so that's for me. There you go. Okay, Salma, it's time for you to leave because I need to add my secret recipe. Okay, bye. Bye. But Salma's not here. Now I can add my secret recipe. So, she doesn't know what kind of chocolate. If she sees me put the same chocolate as her, she's might gonna copy me. That's too much. I'm gonna put some of it back. I'm gonna add like a little bit of each other. Okay, and now I'm gonna add some of this like little chocolate thing, like an Oreo thing. Get a little bit more. I'm gonna add this one. I'm adding each of them a little bit. So now I put in, I'm gonna just put a little bit more leaf. Okay. So I put a little bit of each of them, and now I think it's ready for it to bake. So let me show you how I did so far. Here is the Reese's. This is the regular chocolate, and this is like the Oreo thing, like the Oreo chocolate. Now I am gonna mix it all together. Okay, so I finished my turn, and now I'm gonna go get Salma. Salma, it's your turn. Come on. Now it's my turn to make my cookie and put the special ingredients so I can win the contest. So first I'm going to put the Reese's. I only want the Reese's, so I'm going to put this out the way. I think that's enough. I just filled. It's okay. I'm just going to add them. Now I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna put it by hand. Sprinkles, like sprinkles. Okay, I think this is so I'm gonna dump the whole. Okay, I'm gonna take. Here's what I have. My cookie. Where to go? Now I'm gonna mix it. Oh. Now we are gonna put our cookie dough in our tray. Have to make them a circle. Yeah, like make them a little circle like this, and you put. This is mine. Like made my first one. It's not really good. Gotta put it right. I don't even see a chocolate. You should not make it this small. You should make it a little bit more bigger, like this. This one has a lot of chocolate chips. I'll take some and put it in the oven.
Oh yeah. So if you really like chocolate a lot, you can actually add some chocolate when you're adding it. If you want to add more,
Yeah.
it's your opinion. So like, if you
Yeah.
want to, you can. If you don't,
Because we didn't.
we might. I might. I don't know. I think.
I'm not.
I'm not.
I hope I win.
We're gonna see. I'm scared.
Me too.
I'm gonna roll this a little bit more. Hey, I'm not gonna tell you what I add. I add secret recipe. Did you?
I only put one topping. Give you a hint.
I give you one. Here's the bowl. And here's my tray so far.
Wow, you made a lot. I only made 2.
So we grab some.
I'm not really going to show the chocolate chips. But I am going to show a little bit.
If you have Play-Doh at home, I think you should do this because it's just like Play-Doh.
Yeah, if you like
But like
Play-Doh.
eating cookies.
Yeah. You can play with it, you can make it, and like, yeah.
I really like how like it kind of like when you like try to like squish it all together, it kind of feels like slime.
Yeah.
I love slime. So if you
Yeah.
do,
We made
I
a
think-
video about slime. Just want to
Oh
see
yeah, we did. It was so fun.
it. Yeah. Mine was pink, and Steven was purple, and yours was pink like mine.
Yeah.
Mine and yours look so same.
Yeah. Oh, I did a big one.
Whoa.
2, 3,
Me
4,
too.
5, 6, 7, 8. I made 8.
So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I thought you said 10.
What?
Yeah, it looks like 10. Oh my god, you're so chocolate chips. The judge you would like this.
Emma, do you want to add some more chocolate chips?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do.
Gonna add more wheat.
So, I'm gonna just put it like this.
I said put some cookies on cookies.
That was fun.
Just some chocolate chips.
Ta-da! We finished our cookies and now we are gonna put it in the oven.
Now it's time for me to put it in the oven. And before you put it in the oven, you always have to have a door for it. So I'm gonna put it like
Now I'm gonna put it in the oven. Before I put it in the oven, make sure you're with a parent. And now we are gonna let it bake for 10 minutes. Ta-da! Ta-da! The cookies are ready. We got them out of the oven. And now we're ready. Serve it to the judges.
I'm gonna count how much I have.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have 16.
I'm gonna count how much I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14.
Now we are gonna take the cookies for judge.
I'm excited.
Me too.
I'm nervous too.
Good.
Let's get it. These are not hot.
It's time for me to put cookies for Judge Adam and Judge Princess Selena. So let's put this one for Princess Selena. I'm gonna pick a big one. I think this one is a big one. Okay, I'm ready. Here I go, Princess Selena and Adam.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I baked your guys' cookie and I hope you guys like it. You're welcome.
Adam, let's try the cookie.
Okay, let's see. Now we tried Jenna's cookie. Now let's move this aside to try Salma's cookie.
Now it's my turn to give the judges my cookies I baked. So I'm gonna put this one and this one. Okay. Here goes Princess Dolly, and here Adam.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Let's try Salma cookie.
Let's try it. Now it's time for Jenna and Salma to come back. Me and Selena, we had made our decision of who won this competition. Me and Selena says that they both won this competition. Jenna and Selma had very good cookies.
Yay! Thank you, Princess Selena. Thank you, Adam.
You're welcome.
And don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye! And peace!